Okay, here we have two Dudley Council vans. There's one, and there's the other one. He's parked that quite nice. So we've got two vans here. One there, one there. Check this job out. There's three blokes on this job. Look at this. We'll have a little walk. There's three blokes over there in high jackets. We'll have a little walk around this corner.
Right down, right.
Yes. Here it is. Two vans, three men to stick a cornerstone in. And that's how your tax dollars are being spent.
And them right. Okay, Ollie, this one. Mind you though, if that went through somebody's shop window or car window,